That's what this is going to teach you.
You can skip university, you can buy my program, and
The business model of selling courses: if you've been browsing YouTube or social media, chances are you've come across influencers promoting their courses and sharing their expertise with you. Ever since COVID, we have seen a massive spike with not just contents, but in Gen Z and millennials looking for ways to get rich. You might have noticed that a majority of these courses are offered by influencers and YouTubers, especially those with niches related to making money, such as day trading, drop shipping, and social media marketing. While there are some exceptions like fitness and dating, the focus seems to be on empowering you with the knowledge to excel in the financial realm and beyond. So what exactly is this business model all about?
Oh, it's very simple, really.
Influencers and YouTubers who have established themselves as experts in their respective fields create comprehensive online courses covering specific topics. But what sets these courses apart from traditional education? Well, for starters, they offer a level of accessibility that's unparalleled. With just a few clicks, you can enroll in a course and begin your learning journey from the comfort of your own home. No more commuting, fixed schedules, or rigid classrooms. The flexibility to learn at your own pace is a game changer. Now let's talk about the business side of things. While many influencers offer their courses at reasonable prices, the scale of their audience and the digital nature of the courses allow for a potentially lucrative revenue stream. As more and more people sign up, the earnings can be substantial for these creators. One of the well-known influencers is the Tate brothers. They have built almost a cult-like following and can easily reach an audience of 1 million people. And in almost all their videos, if you check the description, you will notice a link that takes you to a website dubbed The Real World. They charge a recurring monthly payment of $50, so let's say they average 500,000 views on every social media platform such as YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter through short video content. If they can at least convert 1% of the viewer to buy the course, they can essentially make $250,000 a month, if not more. Now, obviously, I don't have access to their statistic, so I may have overestimated or maybe even underestimated the projected earnings, but you get the point. It can get very lucrative for the person that is selling the course, especially if they can retain their current customer while steadily gaining new customers. However, as with any growing trend, it's essential to be discerning. Not all courses are created equal, and not all influencers have the best intentions or reveal all their methods. It begs the question, if everyone starts being a producer, then would there be any consumers left? So before enrolling in any course, it's crucial to do your research, read reviews, and ensure that the content aligns with your goals and expectations. That's all for today's video. Let me know in the comments below if you've taken any courses from influencers and how they impacted your life. Until next time.
you can skip university, you can buy my program, and I